Hey, gun enthusiasts. Picture this. World War III crashes down tomorrow. And while everyone's freaking out, you're cool as a cucumber, locked and loaded with the gear that'll make chaos your playground. Most folks, they'd be toast in 2 weeks, not because they're soft, but because they don't get what survival demands. Firearms, food, shelter, tools, one slip up, and your history. In a world gone wild, every second is do or die. And what's in your hands decides if you're thriving or begging. I'm spilling the beans on the 11 non-negotiable items you need to outlast the apocalypse. And trust me, number one's gonna throw you for a loop. It's the ultimate game changer between living large and lights out. Smash that like button and follow Survival Gear Showcase. For the full scoop, K-Bar USMC fighting knife. Let's start with a classic that's been pulling double duty since the Marines stormed beaches in the 40 seconds. This 7-inch blade of 1095 Crovan steel with a clip point and leather-wrapped handle is tough as nails, built to hack through jungle vines or urban debris without a whimper. You'll carry one on multi-day treks, using it to gut fish 1 minute and carve snares the next, and it never dulls or slips, even soaked in rain or caked in mud. Picture bugging out in a war zone. Ammo's scarce, noise is deadly. Rack this silent beast for close-quarters defense, prying cans, or building shelter from scrap. It's not flashy, but in a pinch, it skins game to keep calories coming or doubles as a last resort weapon when guns jam. Compared to cheap folders that snap under stress, the K-Bar's military pedigree means it endures saltwater, drops, and abuse like a champ. Veterans swear it saved their hide in tight spots. If prepping for the long haul, this knife's versatility is gold. Sheath it on your belt and you're always ready. Hell, it's almost funny how something so simple becomes your MVP when tech fails. Price, $80, $120. Gas masks and hazmat suits. Now, shift gears to stuff you can't punch or shoot. Radiation, chem agents, and airborne nasties that turn breathable air into a death trap. A solid NBC, CBRN-rated mask with P3 filters blocks vapors, particles, and biohazards, while a Tyvek-style hazmat suit seals your skin from fallout or spills. Done easy, training ops simulating dirty bombs, and the difference is night and day. Without them, you're coughing up lungs in minutes. With them, you maneuver through contaminated zones, scavenge supplies, or evac without panic. Imagine post-strike streets blanketed in toxic dust. Slip this gear on, and you're mobile, while others hunker down, trapped by fear. It's not overkill. Fires, leaks, and nukes spike in war, making clean air your first fight. Pair the mask's adjustable straps for a snug fit with the suit's taped seams for full barrier. You'll test knockoffs that leak, but quality ones like Avon or Mira hold tight. Compared to bandanas or DIY wraps that fail fast, this pro gear buys time and freedom. Priced $100, $500 for quality sets, stock multiples for family, your first defense is the air you breathe. Ravenar 500 crossbow. Laugh if you want at bows in a gun world. But this beast cranks bolts at 500 feet per second with pinpoint accuracy. Compact and light for slipping through shadows without a sound. You'll stalk game, cocking via the crank in seconds even when fatigued, and drop targets silently at 50 yards, with no bang to draw patrols. In World War III scramble, silence is king. Harvest deer or hogs without alerting miles around, or use it for quiet defense when ammo's low. Reusable bolts mean endless shots if you recover them, unlike bullets that vanish. Picture evading hostiles in the woods, fire a suppressed rifle. Maybe, but this crossbow keeps your position ghosted. With adjustable scopes and lightweight frame, it's hunter-friendly, hitting harder than some pistols up close. Compared to traditional bows that tire your arms, the R500's power-assisted cocking makes it accessible for all builds. Priced $2,500 plus, it's premium but pays off in sustained hunts, perfect for when the grid's down and noise equals danger. Ruger 1022. Fast forward to the rifle that every survivalist whispers about when the talk turns to staying fed without burning through precious big caliber round. This semi-auto 22 LR gem weighs just 5 pounds. Slings 10-round rotary mags and pops off quick follow-ups to nail-darting rabbits or squirrels before they vanish. Lightweight enough to tote all day, accurate to 50 yards with iron sights, and customizable with aftermarket stocks, scopes, and 25-round drum mags for extended forays. In a World War III breakdown, It's a calorie saver. 22 ammo's cheap, light pack 1,000 rounds without strain, and plentiful, turning bushy-tail dinners into easy staples, while you save 5.56 or 9 millimeters for threats, not dinner. Picture scavenging the woods, spot a rabbit at 30 yards, drop it clean with a subsonic round, and stay silent to avoid drawing unwanted eyes. It's not a deer gun, but survival's a marathon of small meals, and the 1022 adapts like a chameleon, from stock carbine for carry to tricked-out takedown model for bug-out bags. You'll bag limits of birds on backpack trips. Compared to centerfires that guzzle resources, this one's the efficient workhorse, and at MSRP around $329, it's a no-brainer investment for the lean times. Hell, it's so versatile, it almost feels like cheating the apocalypse. Springfield M1A 6.5 Creedmoor. When you need to own the distance, whether it's dropping a deer at dusk or guarding your camp from afar, the Springfield M1A steps up like a seasoned sniper. This semi-auto beast, rocking a 22-inch barrel and a tough-as-nails synthetic stock, slings 6.5 Creedmoor rounds with laser-like precision out to 800 yards. It's got that sweet spot of long-range power and manageable recoil, letting you stack shots without rattling your bones. And the M14 roots make it a tank rugged enough for mud, rain, or rough terrain, with military-grade durability that laughs at abuse, while optics rails let you slap on a scope for pinpoint hits. In the World War III grind, it's your space commander. Engage threats before they close in, harvest elk or mule deer from afar to feed the camp, and control the battlefield with 20-round mags and that buttery gas piston action. Imagine scanning a valley from your hilltop vantage spot, movement at 600 yards, chamber a round, and neutralize it without a chase, keeping your family safe from afar. The 6.5's ballistic efficiency means less drop and wind drift, turning it into a sniper's tool for the everyman. MSRP about $2,200, it's an investment in dominating the long game. Beretta 92 FS. Dropping to the hip holster, where quick draws and unwavering trust save the day. This 9mm legend, with its 15-round mag and open slide design, has been the U.S. military's ride or die for decades, smooth shooting and jam-resistant even after a tumble or a drenching. You'll carry one concealed through urban drills, and the all-metal frame soaks up recoil like a sponge, keeping your sights steady for accurate taps under adrenaline, while the decocker safety combo makes it idiot-proof safe. In World War III urban sprawl, back up when the rifle's slung, close-range equalizer for clearing rooms or fending off looters, and powered by 9mm, the most scavengeable round on the planet, from abandoned stores to battlefield pickups. Picture threading a crowded alley threat pops at 7 yards, draw smooth double-tap center mass and scan for the next without a hitch. The ergonomic grip and low-bore axis point naturally, and its proven track record from Panama to Afghanistan means it thrives in the grit. At MSRP around $800, it's a timeless piece and a steal for the reliability, ensuring you're armed when every second counts. It's not the sexiest, but in the clutch, it's the one you bet your life on. Beretta 1301 Tactical. When things get up close and personal in a World War III meltdown, this semi-auto 12-gauge shotgun is your go-to for turning tight spaces into your domain. Its 18.5-inch barrel and gas-operated blink system cycle shells faster than you can blink. At under 7 pounds, it's nimble for urban alleys or shelter defense, and the optics-ready rail lets you slap on a red dot or light for low-light chaos. Load 00 buckshot for room-clearing spreads that stop threats cold, or switch to slugs for 100-yard punches through barriers. In a survival pinch, it's not just defense, it's a food getter, dropping birds or medium game without wasting rifle rounds. Picture a looter crashing your barricade, rack and fire, and the 1301 type pattern ends it fast. No second chances needed. The gas system eats any load, from light birdshot to heavy magnum slugs, and Beretta's rep for reliability shines. Compared to pump actions,
it does cycle faster.
Semi-auto speed gives you an edge when seconds count. Right here. With a 7+1 capacity and aftermarket chokes for tweaking spreads, it's a tactical chameleon. MSRP around $1,650 makes it a premium but justified pick for versatility that dominates close-range survival. This thing's not just a shotgun. It's your personal fortress when the world's falling apart. AR-15 platform. If there's one rifle that screams, "I'm ready for anything," it's this modular icon, chambered in 5.56 NATO or 223 Remington, weighing a featherlight 6 to 7 pounds. and built to morph into whatever you need: close quarters carbine or long-range deer slayer. Builders customize theirs over years, from collapsible stocks for tight spaces to 16-inch barrels with scopes for open fields, and the Picatinny rails eat accessories like lights, lasers, or suppressors for breakfast. In World War III chaos, its adaptability is unmatched. Swap uppers for urban CQB with frangible rounds, or stretch out with match-grade 5.56 for 300-yard shots. Ammo and parts are everywhere. Military adoption means you'll scavenge mags or springs easier than obscure calibers. Picture holding a rural outpost, spot a threat at 200 yards, dial in your optic, and drop them clean. Or clear a shed with a 10.5-inch barrel and hollow points. Compared to heavier battle rifles, the AR-15's weight and recoil let you move fast and shoot straight. With 30-round mags standard and endless aftermarket support, it's the Swiss Army knife of survival. MSRP starts around $900 for a solid base model, Colt or Aero Precision, scaling with mods. But the value lies in its do-everything nature. It's the rifle you grab when you don't know what's coming, because it's ready for it all. MREs and freeze-dried food. Firearms keep you safe, but starvation kills faster than bullets in a world where grocery stores are looted and crops are toast. Military-grade MREs, calorie-packed at 1,200 to 1,500 per meal, deliver carbs, fats, and proteins sealed against rain, heat, or time, lasting years in your bunker. Freeze-dried meals like Mountain House are lighter, packable, and good for 25 years. Just add boiling water for a hot meal in minutes. In World War III, supply lines crash, so these are gold. Stash MREs in your bug-out bag for quick moves, or stockpile freeze-dried for long-term sheltered living. Picture weeks on the run, tear open an MRE for instant fuel, no cooking fuss, or rehydrate a lasagna in your hideout to keep spirits high. Compared to canned goods that weigh you down, these are compact and efficient. You'll survive a hurricane on your stash, trade an MRE for a neighbor's flashlight. MSRP averages $8, $12 per MRE, or $10, $15 per freeze-dried meal. But bulk buys drop costs. This isn't gear. It's your body's battery to keep fighting, hunting, or just breathing another day. Portable water filters.
Super lightweight and packable.
Clean water
The
isn't
new
just
premium
nice.
twist-on cap
It's
means
your
you never
lifeline,
worry about leaking,
because
and you
you're
can
dead
carry
in 3
water
days
with you.
without it.
The strap and carry beam will make it easy to
City
hang and
pipes
carry.
fail, and that muddy
Includes
puddle
hose
could
with
kill
standard quick
faster
connect
than
to allow
thirst.
for easy fill into other
Enter
systems.
pocket-sized powerhouses
The system
like the
features a
Life
membrane
Straw or Sawyer
microfilter
Mini,
that removes bacteria
filtering
like E. coli, parasites like Giardia and
99.99% of
Cryptosporidium,
bacteria,
microplastics,
protozoa,
dirt, and sediments.
The Sawyer Mini tackles up to 100,000 gallons, enough for years. While weighing ounces, you'll toss one in your pack for hikes and sip straight from questionable streams. Crystal clear results every time. In survival mode, picture trekking through a fallout zone. Find a creek, pop the filter in, and drink safely in seconds. No boiling, no waiting. Both are stupid simple. Life Straw's a straw you sip through. Sawyer screws onto bottles or bags for group use. During a flood evac drill, you'll filter swamp water. It'll taste better than tap. Compared to bulky purifiers, these fit in your pocket, and unlike tablets, they don't add chemical aftertaste. The Sawyer's backflush keeps it running forever with minimal fuss, and the Life Straw's rugged shell takes drops like a champ. At MSRP around $20 for Life Straw and $25 for Sawyer Mini, they're dirt cheap insurance against dehydration or dysentery. In a world where water's a gamble, these filters turn maybes into certainties, keeping you moving when others falter. Underground shelters or rural bug-out spots. Topping the list isn't a weapon or gadget, it's your castle when the world burns. A underground shelter or well-stocked rural cabin isn't luxury. It's your castle against fallout, looters, or Mother Nature's worst. Think reinforced concrete walls that block radiation, stable temps year-round to preserve supplies, and natural concealment that keeps you off the radar. In World War III, cities turn into kill zones first. Imagine nukes or chem strikes lighting up the skyline. You're safe below ground, rationing MREs while the world burns. Stock it with vents for fresh air, solar panels for power, and defensive perimeters like tripwires or firing ports. A buddy of mine retrofitted his basement with earth bags and a hidden entrance, laughed later about sleeping sound during a bad storm that wiped out power grids. Compared to tents, this is long-haul living. Store ammo caches, medical kits, even a garden plot above for self-sufficiency. If you're rural, scout spots miles from highways. Low population means less competition for resources. Technical-wise, Aim for at least 10 feet of earth overhead for radiation shielding, per FEMA guides. Without this foundation, you're nomadic and exposed. Priced from $5,000 for basic kits to $100,000 plus for turnkey bunkers, it's an investment in endurance. All right, folks. That is the rundown on the 11 survival essentials for a World War III scenario gear that turns chaos into a fight you can win. This lineup blends firepower, protection, and sustainment for real-world endurance. Each piece, whether it's filtering water or slinging silent bolts, tackles a critical angle: starvation, contamination, or direct threats, ensuring you're not just scraping by, but holding ground. In collapse, these tools give you control when others falter. What's your top pick for the apocalypse? Drop it below. Like if this sharpened your prep game, and subscribe to Survival Gear Showcase for more survival intel. Stay ready, stay alive.